Surgeonfish, or tang fish, are members of the Acanthuridae family. Their vivid colors and unique shapes make them popular in tropical reef environments as well as marine aquariums. A closer look at these amazing fish is provided here. The vivid and varied hues of tang fish, which include blue, yellow, green, and purple tones, are well known. Their bodies are disc-shaped and laterally compressed, which allows them to swim quickly in reef conditions. Tang fish are known for having sharp, scalpel-like spines on either side of their tails that they can employ for defense. The Indo-Pacific blue tang, Paracanthurus hepatus, is bright blue in color with a yellow tail and a black palate pattern. Even made well known by Dory, a character from the film Finding Nemo. Living reefs in Hawaii, Zebrasoma flavescens, or yellow tang. Well liked in the aquarium industry for their eye-catching hue and resilience. The Indian Ocean reefs are home to the powder blue tang, Acanthurus leucosternon, which has a powder blue body with a black face and a yellow dorsal fin. Recognized for their beauty, they are nevertheless quite sensitive when kept in captivity. The Indo-Pacific region is home to the spectacular sailfin tang, Zebrasoma voliferum, which is brown in color with vertical yellow stripes and a towering dorsal fin. They are easily recognized by their huge dorsal fins, which resemble sails. Natural habitat: in order to graze on algae, tang fish are generally found in rocky and coral reef environments. Geographic range: mostly in the Indo-Pacific area, they live in tropical and subtropical waters around the planet. Tang fish are primarily herbivorous. Their diet of algae helps regulate the spread of algae on coral reefs. Certain species might also eat tiny invertebrates. They scrape algae from the surfaces of rocks and coral with their tiny, sharp teeth. A lot of tang fish swim in schools and are frequently observed doing so. They can evade predators thanks to this habit. Certain species, especially males during breeding season, can be highly territorial. In order to facilitate fertilization, tang fish usually spawn in couples or groups, releasing eggs and sperm into the water column. After hatching into planktonic larvae, the eggs travel with the currents of the water until they land on the reef. Large tanks with lots of swimming area and hiding places are necessary for tang fish. They do best in established reef aquariums with consistent water quality. Tang fish should also be fed a variety of veggies and marine-based foods in addition to algae. Tang fish are normally calm, but they can turn hostile toward other tangs or fish with similar shapes. To minimize territorial issues, it's ideal to introduce them to the aquarium at the same time. Tang fish numbers are not endangered at the moment, although they may be impacted by habitat loss, overfishing for aquarium trade, and climate change. Tang fish have a unique mucus layer that they secrete to help shield them from diseases and parasites. Additionally, this mucus can assist swimmers swim more efficiently by reducing drag. It has been noted that this mucus layer has regenerative qualities that help small cuts and abrasions heal. The extremely specialized, sharp teeth of tang fish are used to scrape algae from the surfaces of rocks and coral. Over the course of their lifetimes, these teeth continue to grow, which keeps them functional. Certain tang fish have the ability to alter their color such that it blends in with their environment, protecting them from predators. This skill is frequently seen in the evening or when the fish is under stress. Certain tang fish have the ability to alter their color such that it blends in with their environment, protecting them from predators. This skill is frequently seen in the evening or when the fish is under stress. Cleaner fish like cleaner wrasses have symbiotic connections with tang fish. Both sides profit from the cleaner fish's removal of parasites and dead skin from the tangs. Tangs occasionally associate loosely with other species in order to protect one another from predators. Similar to how tree rings are used to establish a tree's age, scientists examine the growth rings in tang fish scales to estimate the age of the fish. Tang fish are utilized in traditional medicine in various cultures. Although there is a lack of widespread scientific validation for these practices, their scales, mucus, and other parts are said to offer healing powers for many maladies. Tang fish are an essential component of reef ecosystems, helping to maintain the general health of coral reefs by regulating the growth of algae. Both academics and marine fans enjoy them for their fascinating behavior and colorful look.